Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Anthony, Team Wild Loud, Team Crescendo, 318 Contralto, Speakon, Crescendo 17K, 190 amp hour C-Max built by Coils, 400 McMahon alt, wired 1 ohm, 1 1/4 to 1 ratio 6/4, 22 in the rear.
Okay. Nice. Have you got it metered yet?
No,
no meter. All right. Man. So these 3 or 4 inch subs? 3 inch coils. Wow. Have you clamped the power on it yet? Just enough? Man, those subs are handling though, doing pretty well.
Yeah.
Man.
Doing pretty good, man.
Really good bandwidth. Thank you for the demo, man.
Frank, thank you for doing.
Yes, sir. What was your name, man?
Anthony.
Anthony. Awesome, Anthony. I'm gonna go look at.
Team Wild Loud president.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go look at the amp rack in the back. Thank you very much, Anthony. Oh, my bad. Wow.
It gets the job done for what it is.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
How low were you playing? How low do you play frequency-wise?
17 hertz.
17 hertz?
Yep. It kind of falls off on 17 a little bit lower, but
yeah,
it'll go to 46, 48.
Yeah. Yeah. Demo time. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
I'll do both windows down.
Okay.
All gas, no brakes. Yeah, we gonna full force with it. Believe that. Let the trap say amen.
Sit back and relax. You're about to get rustified.
Came from the bottom.
Down below.
Remember I was in the project. I ain't giving up. Remember I got time. A nigga started from the bottom. Look at my baby. I ain't in. I'm walking out, talking out. I was down on my so the young eating it in the night. I told God,
Let me go up one frequency range for you real quick.
All right.
See why I want to keep the seat in? That's
Sit back and relax. You're about to get rustified.
came from the bottom. Remember I was in the I ain't giving up. Remember I was in the county jail.
both windows down real quick.
Sure.
It gets better.
Really? We're both down? Like the way it's musical response on it?
Sit back and relax. You're about to get rustified.
Came from the bottom. Down below. Remember I was in the project. Couldn't even get along. I ain't giving up. Remember I was a nigga started from the bottom. Got my baby. I ain't in all I do and never
Yeah.
Remember I was in the I ain't give it up. Remember I was a nigga started from the bottom. Look at my baby. I ain't I was down on my so the yo it ain't in the night. I told God
Let me go up one frequency range for you real quick.
All right.
See why I want to keep the seat in? It's nasty without it.
Relax, you're about to get rustified.
came from the bottom. Remember I was in the ain't give it. Remember I
Both windows down real quick.
Remember I was in the project wall. Couldn't get along. Now they niggas got their hands out. I ain't giving up. Remember I was in the project. None of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone. Now they make it run line. I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom. Look at my baby. I ain't in all that doing never saw shit. Remember I was in the remember a nigga started from the bottom. I was down on my
Let me go up one frequency range for you real quick.
All right.
See why I want to keep the seat in? It's nasty without it.
Relax, you're about to get rustified.
came from the bottom. Remember I was in the ain't get it. Remember I
Both windows down real quick.
Sure.
It gets better.
remember I was in the ain't get it. Remember I a nigga started from the bottom.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Drop-In Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.